dear students, welcome to online physics class. I am your physics teacher. Dear students, in the last class we are discussed about the non-contact force. Up to a non-contact force we are discussed about the first of our first chapter, that is force and pressure. I hope all are understood about what is the force, what are the different types of the different types of the force with the examples you all learned. So here in this class we have to discuss another part of our first chapter, that is a pressure. So the word pressure is generally observed in our day-to-day life. So as the people, the elder, or you also sometimes saying that I'm getting a more pressure because of a heavy work. So what is meant by a pressure? The pressure in Kannada we are calling as a vattada. Pressure is nothing but in Kannada we are calling as a pressure. So your parents or your father, especially your father, may tell, don't give more pressure. I am already a pressure, because he is coming out from a office or he is coming out. So because of his work tension and because of the other tension, he may have a pressure. And dear students, you also have a pressure. So which type of the pressure you have? Yes. So this chapter is going to complete. I will take a test. Tomorrow is a test. You must be prepared. So when the teachers will tell, we will conduct a test or an exam, at that time we will get a pressure. Otherwise, when we start to ask the questions in a classroom, at that time also you will get a pressure. Yes or no? ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ what is meant by a exact definition of a pressure according to our science? The pressure is nothing but the force per unit area. Force per unit area is called a pressure. Is called a pressure. So we are applying the force in a unit area. So for a particular place only we are going to applying the force. So that we are calling as a pressure. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಫೋರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲಿ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಲೆಟರ್ P and it has a formula that is F by A, where F is force, A is area. F is force, A is area. And the SI unit of force. SI unit is, what is the SI unit of force? Obviously it is Newton. Area unit is meter square. That is a SI unit of a pressure. We are telling that is Newton per meter square, or in generally we are represented as a Pascal. PA. The Pascal is the name of the scientist who gave the idea of the pressure. So because of his memory, we are using a Pascal as a SI unit of a pressure. So where we are going to observe a pressure in our day-to-day life? So in generally we are using the knife in our houses. Yes, we are using the knives to cut the vegetables and fruits. ಚಾಕುವನ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಳಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನೈಫ್. Yes, it is very sharp or not? Yes, it is very sharp. When we starts to cut the vegetables with the knife, that must be a sharp one. So whatever the sharp edge is, the sharp edge has a smaller area, but it has to, we have to apply the more pressure. So because more force we have to apply, because of that, whatever that sharp area is there of a knife, it only helps to cut the vegetables or fruits. ಆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಯು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬೀಟ್ ಅ ನೇಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ವಾಲ್, ಆನ್ ಅ ವಾಲ್. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಮೊಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಗೋಡೆಗೆ ಬಡಿತಾ ಇರಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ನೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಶಾರ್ಪರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಎಂಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮೇಲಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ ಆರ್ ಅ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಇದು ಏನು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೊಳೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ pressure. And solid, liquid, gases, all the things have a pressure. So you may heard the word cooker. The cooker is nothing but we are calling it as a pressure cooker. So when we are keep a rice with a water, it creates a pressure inside that a container. So because of the creating the pressure inside the container, the rice or dal is going to starts to boil, and the extra pressure is comes out as in the form of a foam. ಹೊಗೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And your LPG cylinder. So LPG cylinder is nothing but a liquid petroleum gas. So the cylinder also has a gas content. So it is in a gas. So whatever the gas is that gas is also creates a pressure inside that a wall or a container. So because of the creating the pressure by the gases, there may be a chances of getting a blasting of a gases. So then like that we are going to observe the dams. So water is nothing but it has a particular container. Okay, if you are trying to add a more and more water, otherwise now we have a news about the KRS dam. The KRS dam is getting the damage. Yes, has a cracks. ಹೌದಾ, ಬಿರುಕು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಮಿಗೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಅ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ pressure. So what we are going to say that solids, liquid and gas creates pressure. Creates a pressure. Solid, liquid, gas ಗಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. So like that you can observe that the pressure is more, the pressure is more in small area. Okay, pressure ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. For example, here small area, I will give only 2 days of a time to read 10 chapters. Is it possible to read the 10 chapters within 2 days? No. So here I am applying the force on you to read the 10 chapters, but whatever the days, that is the area, only 2 days. 10 ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನ ಓದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡೇಸ್ಗಳು ಏನು 2 days ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯುವರ್ pressure is more. So the pressure is more in a small area. Pressure ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. And another example, so before lockdown you observe, so in a small area, in a room, okay, just you can consider your classroom. In the classroom, the classroom has a stability to have a students of about 80 students. Okay, has a 80 students. 80 students are sufficient for one section. So if I add some more 80 students to that same class, or you feel happy or feel free? No, you will get irritated, because whatever the area is that area is sufficient for only 80 students, but I added some other 80 students. So when I add extra students to the same area, that is going to starts to create a pressure, that we are calling as a pressure. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್. Atmospheric pressure. So our atmosphere has a air. We know that presence of air. So whatever the air is that air is creates a pressure, that we are calling as a atmospheric pressure. That is pressure created by atmosphere or air. ಇಂದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋನ್ಸ್, ವಿಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ಸುಳಿಗಾಳಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಸುಳಿಗಾಳಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಒಂದೇ ಸುಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಾಳಿ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಥವಾ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸುಳಿಯನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದರ್, ಇಟ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? So that we are calling as a atmospheric pressure. So they may ask why the cyclones winds are going to form, means because of the pressure created by the atmosphere we are going to observe the formations of the winds, storms, cyclones. Yes, we are going to observe. So in generally just take a empty powder bottle or your oil, empty oil, just to take and hold on your knees, chin or your on your skin. What happens that ಬಾಟಲ್, ಎಂಟಿ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್. ಅದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್, what happens, we are going to what happens, our skin is going to absorb by that bottle. Otherwise you take a empty glass and hold in front of your mouth and it starts to hold. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟ್, I will show. So here I will take this glass. This glass is an empty glass. So what I will do, I will hold this glass through my mouth. So because my mouth has a consist of air. So just observe. So this glass I will hold by my mouth. Yes, it's coming down now. So initially we could like this. Yes, when you are holding this glass in front of your mouth, just to take the breath intake and just you remove the breath and automatically it comes down. Just you try in your house by taking a empty glass or a empty bottles like powder bottles or oil bottles. So just you do. Why we are feeling like this? Because of the pressure created by the air. So this is all about your first chapter, that is force and pressure. So in your textbook they given different types of the example. Just once you try to read those examples. I hope all are understand this force and pressure. I will provide notes. Okay, don't think take tension about the notes. I will provide the notes and I will send those notes in your group only. Okay, just you have to copy down those notes in your fair notes.